The new version of Motion Bro is an essential tool for Premiere Pro and After Effects users, offering a variety of features to elevate your workflow and creative possibilities. In this version, you'll find two major highlights: 450 presets and 750 sound effects. This release comes with 7 free transition packs that will transform the way you approach animations and video editing. Here's a breakdown of what each pack offers. 1. Seamless Transition Starter Pack for Motion Bro, a great starting point for smooth professional transitions. 2. Flex Transitions contains 45 dynamic transitions to add some flair to your edits. 3. Simple Slide Transitions with 80 presets. This pack provides simple yet effective slide effects. 4. Stretch Transitions, offering 130 presets. It's perfect for those looking for flexible and creative transition options. 5. Zipper Transitions. This pack includes 40 transitions that give a unique zipper-like effect, adding style to your work. 6. Mac FX Transitions. Features 20 presets, bringing some high-quality transitions with a Mac-style aesthetic. 7. Basic Transitions. A collection of straightforward transitions to get the job done with simplicity and precision. The 450 presets pack contains 6 sections. The first section is called Overlay. It includes a diverse range of visual effects designed to enhance your footage with added motion, style, and depth. The second section is Graphics Pack, a collection of ready-made design elements that add clarity, structure, and style to your videos. The third section is Design Layouts, which offers visually striking templates perfect for creating bold and modern compositions. With elements like posters and backgrounds, this section helps you build eye-catching layouts that can be used for promos, social media, or any creative project needing a strong visual impact. The fourth section is HUD Elements, featuring futuristic interface graphics inspired by sci-fi and tech design. These elements are perfect for creating heads-up displays, data screens, or high-tech overlays, adding a sleek and modern feel to your visuals. The fifth section is Call-Outs, designed to highlight important details in your video with clarity and precision. It includes elements like arrows, pointers, text bars, and speech indicators. Ideal for tutorials, explainers, and product showcases where directing the viewer's attention is key. The sixth section is 3D Characters, which brings your projects to life with animated, stylized characters. These assets are great for adding personality, storytelling, or a fun, engaging touch to your videos, especially in educational, promotional, or creative content. The Sound Effects Pack includes 750 ready-to-use audio elements designed to elevate the impact of your visuals. It covers a wide range of categories such as transitions, impacts, whooshes, and cinematic hits, giving your edits a professional and dynamic sound design layer that perfectly complements the motion graphics. Now let's see how to download and install these free packages. Click the link in the description. It will take you to the official Motion Bro website. Scroll down and you'll find the Motion Bro extension there. Choose your operating system and download it.
This extension works with both After Effects and Premiere Pro. The difference is the package format for each app. I will explain how to install it in Premiere Pro. If you want the same tutorial for After Effects, I already explained how to do that in a previous video. The link is in the description.
Now follow my steps.